Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to build a LED chaser circuit, and I will also discuss a situation in which your program won't be uploaded in Arduino even if your program is compiled correctly, and I will also discuss the solution of that problem. And this time I am using Arduino Nano because my Uno is having some overheating issues because it was a clone version, so they are more likely to have these kind of issues. So let's start the video. And you see the Arduino Nano has total of 14 digital pins, D2, D3, D4 all the way up to D12, and one more pin is there, D13. So 12 pins are there, and two pins are labeled as TX and RX, right? So we can use TX and RX pins as digital pins also. So the problem that I was talking about is related with these TX and RX pins, right? So I have connected all the negative legs of all the LEDs on the negative rail of the breadboard. So this blue line is the negative rail of the breadboard, right? And this black wire is used to connect both the negative rails of the breadboard. And using these jumper wires, we need to connect the positive leg of all the LEDs to the digital pins of the Arduino Nano. Now I'm done with all the circuit connection between the LEDs and the Arduino Nano. And one thing you need to keep in mind while making the circuit is the order of the connections. So if you want to get proper pattern among the LEDs, you need to connect this first LED to pin number D0, this to pin number D1, this to D2, and likewise this last LED would be connected to pin number D13. Or if you start from this LED, this should be connected to D0, D1, D2, and likewise this should be connected to pin number D13, right? So I connected this first LED to pin TX and the second LED to pin RX, right? And while uploading the program in the Nano, you would notice that while keep on connecting these pins to TX and RX, your program won't be uploaded. And if you disconnect the TX and the RX pin, your program would be uploaded without any error, right? So let's discuss that problem and what is the solution of it. So I will discuss the program later on. First of all, let us start to upload the program in the Nano. And right now I have connected the TX and RX pin to the LEDs. So from the tools menu, you need to select the Arduino Nano and port number. Now let's upload the program. And you will notice that the program will keep on uploading, but it will never upload it in the Arduino Nano, and it will show failed uploading with the exit status 1, right? Because the TX and RX pin are now connected to the LEDs. Now I am going to disconnect the LEDs from the TX and the RX pin. Now let's again upload the program. And you will notice that this time the Arduino code will be uploaded in the Nano, right? So it is showing done uploading. Now let's discuss the reason why our program upload fails. So the pin TX and the RX on the Arduino are the hardware UART pins, which are used for USB to serial communication. And when we upload the program from this icon to the Arduino, there is a communication between the laptop and the bootloader over that same UART line. And if we have any external hardware connected to those TX and the RX pins, like in our case those hardware are LEDs, so it can interfere with the signals, right? And this is the reason why our program upload fails. So if you are learning something new, subscribe to my channel, and now let's discuss the program of the circuit. So in this LED pattern, we are going to glue two LEDs at a time, and the pattern will keep on moving forward and backward, right? And we have defined total number of LEDs as 14, and connected all the LEDs to pin 0, 1, 2, 3, and all the way up to pin number 13 on the Nano. And all the LEDs are going to be output in this case. And in the loop function, we are writing logic for forward movement, which will go as a 1 2 2 3 3 4 likewise, and the reverse movement will start like 14 13 13 12 and likewise up to 2 1, right? And turn off all is a function to turn off all the LEDs, and you can see we are writing low signal on all the LEDs at a time, and we are writing two for loops, one for the forward movement and other for the backward movement. So you can see we are gluing two LEDs at a time, right? The LEDs at ith index and the LEDs at I plus 1th index. And for the reverse movement, we are gluing two LEDs at the index I minus 1 and I index. Okay. And for the forward movement, we are initializing the index from 0 to number of LEDs minus 1, which is 13. So total 14 LEDs are there. And likewise for the reverse movement, we are that means we are running the index from 13 to 0. So total 14 index are there. So this is the expected outcome of the program that we uploaded in the Nano. And if you learned something new from this project, like and share this video and tell me in the comments what next project do you want. Till then, goodbye.